I had 2 knee replacements. The first one was in 2005 in late October, and then 3 months later I had the second one at DePaul. Both of them just went very well. I was just amazed at how well it went. I was recommended to Dr. Schroer. I came over here, had the surgeries. There was a doctor in the hospital having the same thing done from out of state. And my husband said, "You know you've got the right doctor when there's a doctor going to your doctor." So, I just had complete confidence. And if I had to have orthopedic surgery, I would come back here because I thought that department just did an excellent job. I'm just thrilled. In fact, I've brought a number of friends over here. Our church knows Dr. Schroer by name very well. My checkup last week was 15 years out. He showed me the x-rays. He said, "Everything is perfect. It looks like I did them yesterday." And he said, "You're doing exactly what I would like for my patients to do, so just keep doing it." I am forever grateful for DePaul's orthopedic department, the people who work there. They just are caring. I would come back here in a heartbeat if I had to. I'm Barbara. I live in St. Charles, and this is my DePaul story.